Don't toss out those rusty tools just yet. With a little effort, you can restore them to their former glory. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the satisfaction of giving old tools a new lease on life. Rusty tools are often perfectly functional underneath the rust. This guide will show you how to easily remove rust and protect your tools for years to come. You don't need fancy chemicals or expensive equipment to restore your tools. Common household items will do the trick. Here's what you'll need: white vinegar, baking soda, water, a bucket or container, rubber gloves, steel wool or a wire brush, sandpaper in various grits, and linseed oil or WD-40. Vinegar is a natural rust remover thanks to its acetic acid. Fill your bucket or container with enough white vinegar to submerge your rusty tools completely. Let the tools soak in the vinegar for at least 24 hours. For heavily rusted tools, you may need to soak them for up to 48 hours. The vinegar will work its magic, dissolving the rust and loosening its grip on the metal. Section 4. Elbow grease time. Scrubbing away the rust. In this section, we will guide you through the process of removing rust from your tools, making them look as good as new. After soaking your tools in a cleaning solution, it's time to put on your rubber gloves and get ready to scrub. This step is crucial to protect your hands from any harsh chemicals. Use steel wool or a wire brush to remove the loosened rust. These tools are effective in getting into the nooks and crannies of your tools, ensuring a thorough clean. Scrub in the direction of the grain of the tool for best results. This technique helps in maintaining the integrity of the metal and provides a smoother finish. You'll see the rust coming off, revealing the shiny metal underneath. It's a satisfying process that shows immediate results, making your hard work worthwhile. For stubborn rust spots, make a paste of baking soda and water. This natural solution is both effective and gentle on your tools. Apply the paste to the rust and scrub with your steel wool or wire brush. This extra step ensures that even the most persistent rust is removed, leaving your tools in pristine condition. Section 5. Shine bright, sanding and polishing for a like-new finish. In this segment, we'll guide you through the essential steps to bring your old, rusted tools back to life. Once you've removed the rust, it's time to smooth and polish your tools. This process not only enhances their appearance, but also extends their lifespan. Start with a coarse grit sandpaper and gradually work your way up to a fine grit. This ensures that all the rough spots are smoothed out, giving your tools a sleek finish. Sand in the direction of the grain, removing any remaining rust or imperfections. This technique helps maintain the integrity of the metal and provides a uniform surface. After sanding, apply a thin coat of linseed oil or WD-40 to your tools. This step is crucial as it creates a protective barrier against moisture and rust. This will protect the metal and prevent future rust. Regular maintenance, including occasional reapplication of oil, will keep your tools in top condition for years to come. Section 6. Rust prevention. Keeping your tools in tip-top shape. Now that your tools are restored, you'll want to keep them rust-free. Rust can quickly undo all your hard work, so it's essential to take preventive measures. Store your tools in a dry place. A well-ventilated area is ideal, as it helps to keep moisture at bay. Consider using silica gel packs or dehumidifiers in your storage area to absorb any excess moisture. Moisture is the enemy of metal, so a dry environment will help prevent rust. Even a small amount of moisture can lead to corrosion over time, so it's crucial to be vigilant. Wipe your tools down after each use to remove moisture and dirt. This simple step can make a big difference in maintaining their condition. Use a clean, dry cloth to ensure all residues are removed. Apply a light coat of oil to your tools regularly. This not only lubricates moving parts, but also creates a protective barrier against moisture. This will create a protective barrier against moisture and rust. Choose a high-quality oil designed for metal tools to ensure the best protection. By following these simple steps, you can restore your rusty tools to their former glory and keep them in top-notch condition for years to come. Regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your tools. So, the next time you come across a rusty tool, don't despair. With a little effort and the right techniques, you can bring it back to life. Grab your supplies and give it a new lease on life. Not only will you save money by not having to buy new tools, but you'll also gain the satisfaction of restoring something with your own hands.